Welcome to On Time in Full, a podcast from Designed Conveyor Systems.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our year in review episode of On Time in Full. I'm Gabrielle Bejarano, and today we're celebrating an incredible year for Designed Conveyor Systems by reflecting on some of our biggest achievements and inspiring moments from 2024. This year, DCS completed over 30 projects, debuted IMI's new facility, and saw exceptional growth following the acquisition of Waller & Associates. We also made major advancements with Datum and set records with our attendance at MODEX, showcasing innovations shaping the future of material handling. In this episode, we'll revisit conversations with amazing guests, highlighting the ideas and insights that defined 2024. Whether you're joining us for the first time or reliving these moments, we're thrilled to have you here as we celebrate a transformative year. To kick things off, here's Alexa Brock discussing DCS's people-first approach. She explains how, in a crowded industry, DCS stands out by focusing on genuine relationships.
Something that we really pride here at DCS, and I think what makes us different, is our people and our culture. And so we take a lot of time to build relationships. And so you'll notice if you come into our booth, if you talk to one of our people, it's not salesy. We're not there to be transactional. We're not there to be like, hey, do you have a PO ready for us or an RFP that we can respond to? And so I think we differentiate ourselves by how we work with other people. And so we take the time, we get to know you, we try to understand your challenges. And if you have a project this year that we can work on, great. But if it's not for another 5 years, that's fine. Like, we just want to get to know you, see if it's a right cultural fit, and if we could work together. And so I think we put a lot of emphasis on relationship building, which helps us stand out, especially because, at the end of the day, the differences between systems integrators might not be that great, but, how we treat people really sets us apart.
Alexa's insight is a great reminder of the value of human connection in business. Next, we heard from Jeff Waller, who shared Waller Associates' approach to consulting. Here's Jeff on the importance of guiding clients through complex challenges.
We're nothing but tour guides, right? We are just tour guides. We help them find the right solution without making mistakes along the way that maybe myself or my leadership team has made in their careers. So don't be afraid to go out and get that tour guide. Don't be afraid to get some help to go and look at this, whether it's a third-party consulting company or a company like DCS that has hardware, software solutions. Find that tour guide that you trust and walk that path with them, because it's going to be a much easier path, and you're going to have many more options to choose from to get you to the right solution.
Having an experienced tour guide makes all the difference when navigating today's rapidly changing supply chain landscape. Another powerful takeaway this year came from Kurt Kincaid, who encourages us to keep an open mind when it comes to past solutions and evolving technology.
The introduction of AI into the industry has making flexibility of the automation even more effective in the market. So don't be scared to take a step back and say, I've looked at this in the past, it never worked, but now it may work.
Right.
So just taking that step back from what you've known in the past would be important.
It's a great reminder that innovation often requires looking at past solutions in new ways. At MODEX 2024, Chris Mell shared his observations on the rise of robotics and automation and why these technologies are such a game changer for warehousing.
The advent of solutions around robotics was really a big takeaway for me. People were talking more about the solutions that they saw, how could they employ those in their operations. We also had conversations about ways to drive improvements using software, such as the DCS tool we call Datum, which is our WES. That was a great conversation piece to kind of really showcase how we can use that technology to fill gaps that companies may have within their current operations.
Robotics and automation were indeed central themes at MODEX as the industry shifts towards more efficient solutions. Here's Stan on the importance of rigorous quality checks.
So in order to be certain that every aspect of product delivery aligns with the customer, DCS realizes you get what you inspect, not what you expect. So we have implemented our own customer-specific quality teams and audits that are aimed at reducing the punch list, increasing the customer's expectations, reducing the customer's exceptions. The communication piece really extends beyond our company to our subcontractors, to our suppliers. It's been important to bring them into the ballgame earlier than we have before. So I would say that those are a few things that we believe are critical to success. There's many more processes, but they are aimed at quality, meeting the customer standards and expectations, and really with keeping communication as the key.
Stan's dedication to quality is what makes DCS a trusted partner in the logistics industry. Here's a look into DCS's future as shared by Abigail Milligan, who captures the company's commitment to culture and growth.
So I think, in my personal opinion, that the future is very bright at DCS. So I'm proud. We have a culture that defines us. I believe that great culture is created by great people. And, that's what we have when you meet someone from DCS. That's the perspective that we have, whether it's internal, external.
Our next highlight comes from Satyen Patik, who shares valuable advice for staying resilient in the fast-evolving parcel market.
I would say is to be open-minded. Diversify your supply chain as much as you can so that you can feed different suppliers, different projects, different types of jobs, and it keeps you afloat for your end game as far as, you want to get so much throughput out of these buildings or this entire network.
Satyen's perspective is a reminder of the adaptability required to stay competitive in logistics. Robert Hosier provided insight into how DCS's approach goes beyond just implementing solutions. Here's Robert on what sets a solution partner apart.
A good solution partner brings a wealth of knowledge to the table, right? They have subject matter expertise at all different levels of automation and technology that are out there. And they provide, education to the client on which is the better solution for them and why. And that's where the collaboration and the partnership starts. And as the design evolves from design into implementation, a solution partner builds the relationship across all different types of people within the companies. It's a test of time, and that's what makes everyone successful.
Robert's words highlight the importance of full accountability in a successful client partnership. Our next highlight is from JJ Phelan, who shared an exciting AI-driven robotics-based project that DCS is developing to revolutionize material handling.
So what we've done is we have developed a fully automated solution that includes vision systems on gantry cranes with AI technologies to learn and adapt to these big heavy bags that we're going to be palletizing. We're using AMRs for full and empty pallet movement, automated wrapping and labeling. Essentially, it's a lights out mixed SKU pallet build operation in a new and innovative manner that has never been done before.
JJ's project is a perfect example of how DCS is leading the way in automation innovation. Lastly, we have a powerful story from Mike Smith at IMI. After a major setback with a facility fire, IMI, with DCS's support, tuned the situation into an opportunity for growth and transformation.
It really became a rallying cry for us, the fire itself, and for the team. And we've, kind of think of it like the phoenix rising from the ashes. We seized the opportunity to take that event, rally the team, and actually change the way we conduct business. And coincidentally, having DCS come into our world, the timing couldn't have been better because DCS provided us with the support, and both financially and, like I said earlier, intellectually, to allow us to rebuild.
Mike's story is a testament to resilience and the incredible synergy between IMI and DCS. Thank you to all of our guests for their insights this year, and to you, our listeners, for joining us. We hope these sound bites inspire you as we look forward to another exciting year in supply chain innovation. Be sure to follow us for more episodes, and until next time, stay tuned and stay curious.